Imagine this. You send your resume to the company email and within 60 seconds your phone rings. You pick up the phone and there is a person talking and you realize it's the company calling you for an interview. But here's the twist. You are not talking to a recruiter. You are talking to an AI interviewer. This AI could actually read your resume, understands your skill, and ask you specific questions related to the job post you have applied for. And the best thing is, it sounds so natural that many people can't tell that they are just talking to an AI. Sound futuristic? It's real, and I'm going to show you how this works. By the way, if you are new to this channel, I'm Tanish, the founder of Technetic. I help businesses cut their cost and save time on the things which can be done using AI, so you and your team can focus on the tasks which really matter. Every week, I open 3 free consultation slots. You will find the link in the description, so go and grab them before they are gone. Jump on a system. So I will be sending an email to this email ID. Let's suppose it's an email ID of a company who has made a job posting and it's related to a posting of a video editor position at Pixel Wave Studio. So you can see this is the cover letter and we have attached the resume. I can show you the resume also. So this is the resume. You can take a look at how it looks like. And now let's send this email. Send. And now let's jump on our make.com scenario. So let's wait for this to work because it will be working after every 1 minute. And I will receive a call from this. And I will be explaining you everything in detail. So yeah, it's working. It's processing the information and now I will be getting a call. So yeah, I've received the call.
Hello, John. Thank you for showing interest in our video editor position at Pixel Wave Studios. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
That's great to hear, John. This is Recruiter X calling on behalf of Pixel Wave Studios. We're conducting a quick interview for our video editor position. Before we begin, are you ready to start the interview?
Yeah, please, sure.
Wonderful. Let's begin. First question. Can you tell us about a specific project from your portfolio that you are particularly proud of and why?
Okay, so yeah, I produced a short documentary where I edited at Silverline Studios. So I am very proud for that because I had to balance interviews, B-roll and music to create an emotional arc and the final cut which was very well edited.
That sounds fantastic, John. It must have been a rewarding experience to see everything come together so effectively. Let's move on to the next question. How do you approach the process of transforming raw footage into a compelling story?
Yeah, I always start by identifying the key message and then structure the clips around the story.
Now for the final question. How have your internships at Silverline Studios and Bright Frame Films influenced your editing style and workflow? That's wonderful, John. It sounds like you gained both professionalism and creative depth from those internships, which is a fantastic combination in this field. Thank you for sharing your insights during this interview. Before we wrap up, do you have any questions for us about Pixel Wave Studios or the role?
No, thank you.
You're very welcome, John. Thank you for your time today and for sharing your experiences with us.
Goodbye.
View your answers and contact you soon regarding next steps.
Yeah, goodbye. So yeah, so now we will get an email. Let's suppose we are the HR, so we'll get an email regarding this person. Below the analysis of John interview. So final verdict is cleared. I have cleared the interview. So yeah. Okay. So now let me explain you how this works. So firstly we'll be going to our WAPI dashboard. The resources used in this video are linked in description. Go and get them for free. And this is my Pixel Wave Studios template, or you can say voice AI agent. So this is my prompt. I will be giving this in description, so don't worry. I have used GPT-4 node cluster, and this is the first message. And actually it has two dynamic variables, which is first message and question. These questions will be given after the analysis of our resume. And also let's go to the next part of this voice agent. So the temperature is 0.5. Voice I have used Sarah, which is of 11 labs. Additional configuration is, you can see, trash tab, deepgram, Nova 2, and there are no tools, I don't need them. And call function is enabled, custom functions nothing. Now let's jump on our messaging part. So this is my URL. It's because we want to send a transcript and we want to analyze that, and after that we will get an email. And similarly, a server message is just end of call report, because we don't want our make.com to get bombarded by the tons of requests. So now let's jump on our make.com. So this is my first scenario, which loads after every minute. As soon as the email ID, when the company email, or you can say my demo email, which I have assigned for this company Pixelway Studios, gets an email, so this will work. You can say like after a minute it will work. It will give you the email, and let's break it down. So this is my watch emails module. It will watch any emails which I will be getting, and the criteria is all emails, filter type simple filter, and inbox was because I need inbox. And then it will be upload a file, because I want that resume to go inside my drive. So you can see file name, which is the name of resume of the person, and this is the data. So it looks something like this. Attachments, file name and data. This is the data, and after that there's a section download a file. So this actually has the file ID in my drive of this resume. And the best thing is I have converted it into text. It was a Google document, but it's now converted into text. So now I will go to this one, make an API call. You can see my URL, because we want to extract the text, only text of that file. Content type is application JSON, and it's get, and we will actually get the text of that resume, and that text actually goes in GPT. Analyze the resume of the candidate, give me 5 best questions. So you can see it would look like something this, and this is the body. It has the text of resume. You can take a look, and we will get 5 questions. Yeah, it can be made more dynamic, but it's just a demo for this YouTube video, so that's why I'm keeping it simple. In the real build, I won't be using 3 ChatGPT modules. It's just for this YouTube video. So now this one actually gets the first name of the person. So it will be using body only. It will extract the first name of the person, which is I think clear from here. Also, it's John Parker. And this one gets the phone number of the person from this subject, because in our email ID I have given the phone number of the person as the subject. So it will do that. Yeah, obviously for a real build it will be completely different, because every company has different ways of getting emails and scheduling interviews. So in that case everything will be different. So we got actually 5 questions from a ChatGPT module, this one. So we have to convert that into a JSON format, because that would be something which we'll be needing in our HTTP request to WAPI, the thing. And now I can show you, and this is my request content. So you can take a look. It has a variable questions, which is a JSON string. I have removed the double quotes from here because it's already a JSON, because you converted it into a JSON format. So we will get a call scheduled, and when the call will be over, so let's hop on our next scenario. So this is the next scenario, which will receive the webhook request from our WAPI server that the call has been ended, and we will get the transcript. After that we will analyze that transcript, and we will get if the person is passed or not. And then we will send an email to the HR, which is in this case I am only the HR, so that's why I will only get the message. But for a real company it's completely different. It's more dynamic. If you want, we can work together to build this for your institute. But if you want to just plug and play, I have given the resources in the description, so you can get them for free. So in a nutshell, you have to spend less time on screening resumes. You can skip the scheduling hassles and move straight to faster and smarter hiring. Of course, the decision is always yours. That's why this AI always sends an email to the HR. so that they can finally take the decision of their own. But using AI for the first interview gives you a lot more edge than those who are still relying on human interview. If you have liked this video, hit like and subscribe. I've got more AI tools and systems coming your way soon. And if you like to set this up for your own company, go and grab the slots from the description. As I have said, I just open 3 free consultation slots every week. And also I plugged the resources used in this video in the description. You can use them and play with them. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.